Stop trying to force 180 steps per minute. For most runners at easy paces, this is a misunderstood metric that actually reduces your running economy. The idea that every runner needs to hit 180 steps per minute was derived from observing elites during Olympic finals, not daily training. When you force this rhythm at slower speeds, you shorten your stride artificially, killing your momentum. Running speed is defined by a simple equation: stride length multiplied by stride rate. These two variables are inversely coupled. If you artificially increase rate without adding force, length must decrease to compensate. This results in the efficiency trap. By obsessing over turnover, many runners reduce their vertical force production. They stop bounding and start shuffling, losing the elastic recoil energy that free energy provided by your tendons. Instead of manipulating the output, focus on the input, ground reaction force. When you put more force into the ground, you spend more time in the air, naturally increasing stride length without extra effort. Cadence, therefore, is an outcome of how stiff your spring is. A stiffer leg spring recoils faster, naturally raising cadence. You don't count your way to a stiffer spring. You train it through plyometrics and strength. The real danger isn't long strides, but overstriding. This happens when the foot lands significantly ahead of your center of mass, acting as a brake. You can have a long, powerful stride that still lands safely under your hips. True skill is adaptability, not rigidity. You need gears, a higher, choppier cadence for climbing hills, and a longer, smoother stride for flat cruising. Locking into one rhythm destroys your ability to handle terrain changes. To improve this, stop looking at your watch and start sprinting hills. Short, 10-second hill sprints at max effort force you to combine high turnover with massive force production, mechanics you can't fake. Complement this with strides twice a week, 20-second bursts at 95% speed. This primes your neuromuscular system to coordinate high force and high turnover simultaneously, gradually rewriting your default running pattern. Your goal is stride control, the ability to lengthen or shorten your stride on command depending on the situation. Train the motor skill, increase your force capabilities, and let the cadence number fall where it may. Master your gears. Don't obsess over the numbers.